Welcome to this Klaviyo email marketing tutorial. Today I will guide you through setting up and using Klaviyo for email marketing. Whether you are running an e-commerce store or just starting out, Klaviyo is a powerful tool that integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up Klaviyo, create email campaigns, and automate your marketing efforts. Let's dive in. Step 1. Sign up and connect Klaviyo. First, you'll need to create a Klaviyo account. Head over to Klaviyo's website and sign up using your business email. Once you have created your account, connect it to your Shopify store. Go to the Shopify App Store, search for Klaviyo, and install the app. This integration allows Klaviyo to sync with your store's data, including customers' information and purchase history. Step 2. Set up your branding. After connecting Klaviyo to Shopify, it's time to set up your branding. Navigate to the Settings tab in Klaviyo and add your brand's logo, color, and fonts. This ensures your email reflects your brand identity. You'll also need to add your business address to comply with anti-spam laws like CAM, SPAN, and GDPR. Next, let's create a sign-up form to grow your email list. In Klaviyo, go to the Sign Up Form section and choose a template. Customize the form using Klaviyo's drag and drop builder. Add a compelling offer like a 10% discount for new subscribers and set the form to appear after 30 seconds or when a visitor is about to exit your site. Once you are happy with the design, publish the form and it will automatically appear on your Shopify store. Step 4. Build your email list. Now that your sign-up form is live, it's time to build your email list. Klaviyo allows you to create lists and segments. A list is a broad group of contacts, while a segment is a more target group based on specific behaviors like repeat buyers or cart abandoners. Start by creating a list for all subscribers and then use segments to send personalized campaigns. Step 5. Create your first email campaign. With your list ready, let's create your first email campaign. Go to the Campaigns tab in Klaviyo and click Create Campaign. Choose your audience, add the subject line, and design your email using Klaviyo's templates or drag and drop editor. You can include product recommendations, discounts, or updates about your store. Once your email is ready, review it and hit send. One of Klaviyo's most powerful features is its automated email flows. These are preset email sequences triggered by specific actions like customers signing up or abandoning their cart. For example, you can set up a welcome series that sends a thank you email immediately after someone subscribes, followed by a discount code a few days later. To create a flow, go to the Flows tab, choose a template, and customize it to fit your brand. Step 7. Monitor and optimize. Finally, keep an eye on your campaign performance using Klaviyo's analytic dashboard. Track metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversations to see what's working and what needs improvement. Use this data to refine your campaigns and flows for better results. And that's it. You are now ready to start using Klaviyo's email marketing. From setting up your account to create campaigns and automating flows, Klaviyo makes it easy to connect with your audience and grow your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy email marketing!